Hello friends, welcome to ECE Academy. In this lecture, let us understand Millman's theorem. It states that in a linear network having several parallel branches, each branch containing a voltage source in series with a resistance, the common node voltage can be given as V is equal to V1 by R1 plus V2 by R2 plus V3 by R3 and so on, divided by 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 and so on, and the resistance can be given by 1 by R is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 plus and so on. In simple terms, in a network, if we are having parallel combinations of voltage connected in series with a resistor, that can be replaced by a single voltage source and a resistance between 2 points using these formulas. So in this formula, the number of terms will depend upon the number of networks that are connected. So for this given example, let us find the single voltage and a resistance using these formula. First, let us find the voltage. So the voltage V can be given as 22 divided by 5 plus 48 divided by 12 plus 12 divided by 4 whole divided by 1 by 5 plus 1 by 12 plus 1 by 4. So if we simplify this, we'll get V is equal to 21.375 volts, and the equivalent resistance can be given by 1 by R is equal to 1 by 5 plus 1 by 12 plus 1 by 4. Therefore, 1 by R is equal to 0.5333. Therefore, R is equal to 1.875 ohm. So we have found the value of R by taking the inverse of this value. Now we found the value of voltage and resistance. So in place of voltage and resistance, we can use this value and we can replace this entire complex network consisting of parallel combinations of voltage in series with resistance with a single voltage source and a resistor connected in series between 2 points. This is about Millman's theorem. Hope you have understood the topic. Thank you.